What up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. On today's e-bike adventure, we're actually just in our break, in our 1 hour break from work, and I just wanted to get some kind of wheelie practice in too. I was told that you don't really need to lift the handlebars, you just yank. I guess we're by I don't know where we are. We're like by Wascovina area. Wish we had, okay, a little bit. And then you just modulate with your rear brake. Not long enough. That's what she said. I should be practicing on grass. But, whatever. This looks like a clear street to kind of practice. Wow. But this BBS02 definitely paired with this 25 amp battery. It's definitely torquey to say the least. Like I've never had like this much kind of torque with this motor until like I paired this battery up for sure. I used to practice like every week and then I've kind of forgotten about it. So let's get back to our practicing here. Always have your right hand on your brake, or if it's on your left side, have it in your left side. That's kind of obvious to get your bike back down. Okay. You could get the wheel front up faster in slower speeds, at least from what I'm noticing, at least. There we go. Ay, ay, ay. And one thing to note, you should already have your thumb throttle kind of like a quarter in before you start from zero. Already have a quarter in, so because there's a little bit of a delay on these e-bike torques. Yeah, man, you just have to be really fearless too. Gotta learn how to bail or something like that. Yikes. Come on, bike. Come on. Ooh. Okay, that was pretty good. But to sustain it is the hardest part. Let's maybe get to like a good grassy area so we can kind of get our confidence a little bit better, you know? And even like on level PAS like 6 or 7 is like kind of good enough already. It's all about the technique. Yeah, like look at that. That was PAS 6. Oh wow. That's PAS 6. Oh, gotta learn how to bail out there. Okay. Oh no, that's not a good one. It looks like I'm dialed in at PAS 6. Seems a little easier for me. Let's try 7. PAS 7. And about big tooth gear here for sure. Okay, 7. Okay, wow. All right, 7 might be the lucky number here. This is a lot of exercise in the wrist. Yikes. It just drops so quickly, you know? Oh, wow. So I was kind of feathering a little bit there, but I don't know if that really helped. There aren't any really good videos of someone teaching a BBSHD or BBS02 doing wheelies, you know, for days. Oh my gosh. It's like it's either too fast or too slow. Okay, that was a little bit of a progress, I think. That was a little weird. I did something a little different there. I kind of like held my back a little bit more. I was more standing than sitting. Okay, we found some grass area. Let's hope that they're cool with it. This looks actually newly... Oh! Looks like it's newly maintained grass area. Oh, that wasn't bad. Now let's replicate it. Ah! So difficult, so difficult. On you. Nope. Too high. If it's crooked, it's likely not gonna do it. It's gotta be straight first, I think. But it seems like there's just more grip on grass for whatever reason. I thought it would be the opposite, but I'm getting more lift. I don't know why. And we're just on PS4. Let's go back to 6. Okay. So hard to modulate. This is crazy. I'm sweating bullets. Not bad. Oh, it's just too high. Too high. Too high or too low. I can't find the balance point. I was kind of. Then I had to just bail. I'm tired. I need a break. I'm just surprised that my battery still says 100%. We've been trying to wheelie for 6 miles. Not really, more like 4 miles. I get too scared and I slam on the freaking brakes. This freaking hurts in the wrist, man. It's no joke. Actually, you know what I want to try? I did notice that if your seat is a little bit higher, it's there's a midpoint to how your positioning should be. And then if it's a little higher, I think it's a little easier to get that lift a little bit, at least for my height. It's only one way to find out, right? All right, seat is a little bit higher. And let's keep practicing. Oh, wow, immediately there was a definite difference there. Yes, it's all about your balance point, I guess. Wow, okay, that was easier. Yeah, the front goes up so much easier. It's all about physics. You know your physics. Yeah, it feels easier. It's just sustaining it is just totally different. Yep. You know. Oh, fancy. Oh yeah, it's easier. It's so much easier to get the front up. Now it's just sustaining this dang thing. Yep, the lower you are on the bike, the harder it is to get it up. I feel like my back brakes are about done with me. I feel like it's all used already. Oh, okay, it's a little bit of control there. Mamma mia. Close. I'm trying. Gave me the thumbs up. First he gave me the weird look. Then he saw that I was trying to wheelie. He gave me the thumbs up. Let's try again. Nope. Yikes. You see me trying to modulate. Okay. But definitely lift your seat up. I get so much more lift. Oh. Okay, I had to bail. It's good. When you're bailing out, I guess it's when you're close. I feel like I need mechanical brakes versus hydraulic brakes. Okay, that was pretty good. It's pretty good. Ooh, come on, bike. We're getting like a crowd of people looking at us now. Oh, you bastard. I gotta go back to work. But there's definitely progress. Oh, you... That's the thing with higher bikes. It's so hard to... If you're going to bail backwards, because sideways is so much harder, at least for me, because this bike is a little tall for me, you know? Come on. Whew. Okay, PAS7, higher seat, is definitely getting me a little much better chance than any other setup. I do feel that my brakes are so weak now, and I gotta get home like in 20 minutes. My break is almost over, but I'm resilient. Just gotta keep trying. Whew. I want to try this on a lower standover bike height, but with this setup, because it hurts to slam down on this, because I'm too short, and my freaking nuts always slam down here, and my legs are like hanging off the floor. So this bike is a little too high for me. So that's gonna be a wrap, folks. That's gonna be today's e-bike vlog. I'm tired, I gotta get back to work. This is my current setup. So you can see it's just a BBS02 and like a 25 amp battery that I bought on eBay. Alright, that's gonna be a wrap, folks. I'm tired. But I love this bike. Definitely recommend building your own. kindly like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for discounts on your build, discounts on an aerial rider, or discounts on a Super 73. That's going to be today's vlog. I gotta go back to work. I only had an hour break. I'm just biking around West Covina. It's been fun. Keep practicing those wheelies. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.